My name is Justin Doherty. I'm a customer service representative here at the Eco Plumbers. I have been with the Eco Plumbers for 3 years. My job every day is to assist customers in scheduling new services, as well as assisting any customers currently being fulfilled in our services by our technicians. One thing that I love about Eco Plumbers is their dedication to improving each and every team member in their skills, as well as their focus on customer service, really wanting to provide a 5-star experience to everyone who reaches out to us. My favorite part of the job here would be fulfilling customers' requests if they are experiencing active plumbing issues, knowing that they called the right place, helping them to schedule a day and time that works best for them, really knowing that I've helped someone decrease their anxiety around certain projects, because plumbing can be pretty unpredictable, so to know that they have a steady hand in the process is really fulfilling. I think someone who would work best in this position is someone with experience dealing one-on-one with customers or clients, anyone who's able to actively listen to people and really understand what they're looking for and be able to fulfill that within the service guidelines that we set for ourselves, and someone who really likes to reach goals. One thing that we always like to do here in the call center is set individual goals for ourselves as well as team goals, so that way even if you don't fulfill your own personal goals each day, you know that your jobs that you've scheduled go towards the team's fulfillment.